welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get latest information for your gadgets out there. And today talking about an amazing gadget that is HP ProBook 6465 out here. A very interesting model and we popularly know as ProBook 6465B out here. Yes, these are both the names are same. You can see the synonyms out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, we can say that this variant is offering you a great specifications. As well as talking about this variant, then we can say that HP ProBook series is really good because it is mostly designed for the corporate world. HP is designing gadgets specifically for corporate world, we can say. But yes, some gadgets have been designed keeping mind in the household works and house rules. So they have kept something in that also. Now let us talk about this variant. Let us talk about this gadget first. HP ProBook has few specifications which are very common out here and they are seen in this gadget also. Talking about this gadget, they can be said that it offers you a great, we can say, security system. Yes, if you talk about the security system, then it offers you CPM 1.2 security chip. What is this? This is an embedded security which is usually in every gadget out here. There are different embedded securities out there, but HP uses IPM security chip 1.2 out here. So they are using a very trustworthy and a very renowned one out there. Whereas if you talk about this gadget, we can say that the company says that this is a mini size out there or mid size. This is not very large or very small out there. This is a mid size budgeted gadget as well as with HD display. So we can say that the overall this design is very amazing out there because company says that it is a very amazing mid design, budgeted and HD display out there. So these three are important features for this gadget. So now let us talk about the CPU system, the chip system out here being used. Because processing plays a very important role in every gadget. Yes, if we talk about the processing system, then we can say it plays a very important role in every gadget because that determines every gadget functionality. So talking about the functionality, the CPU or the processing out here used are AMD A3 or A6 3410MX. Very different functionality variant out here, very different functional CPU out here because we are used to have Intel core processing, so this can be customized accordingly. Yes, you can customize it accordingly if you would like, which the company has already stated out. Apart from that, it offers you a max turbo speed of 2.3 gigahertz. Yes, offering you 2.3 gigahertz max turbo speed and a speed of 1.6 gigahertz clock speed. We can say they are comparatively quite good. Overall, we can say they are quite good in this comparison out here. Along with that, if you talk about the number of cores or we talk about the core system, then it offers you quad core processor out there. This is not a dual core, this is a quad core processor out here being offered by HP ProBook 6465B or 6465 you can say. Now talking about this variant, talking about this version, it offers you a good Windows operating system. Yes, Windows operating system being used is really good out here and it is offering you 64 bytes operating system out there. The computerization being used out here is 64 bytes out there. Whereas the pre-installed window is Windows 7. Yes, pre-installed if you talk about which is the pre-installed Windows you will get to see. You will get to see Windows 7 is pre-installed in this. This is very good functionality CPU out here, but it works very well with the chip system. So what kind of chip system does it use? It uses ARM A60M chip system out here. Yes, this is using a very good chip system out there. Along with that, you also get to see that the variant out here is offering you good cache memory. Talking about the cache memory, because cache memory is an important part of every gadget. So it offers you L2 cache type. Yes, this is offering you a slightly low variant out there that is L2 cache type out here. But it offers you L2 cache type with an installed memory size of 4 MB. You get to have 4 MB installed RAM or installed cache memory out here, you can say. That is very good out here. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, then we can say that not just the cache memory, but it has got a very good installed RAM and the maximum support size, the hard drive stored out here. Everything is really good in this variant. Now talking about this variant, then we can say that it has got an installed RAM, that is the random accessory memory out here, of 4 GB. It offers you 4 GB RAM installed size. RAM installed size is very important for every gadget. So it offers you 4 GB installed RAM size. Along with that, you need to see that it is offering you a configuration of 1 into 4. Like this has got one slotation, which is for the install size, that it cannot be splitted out. So one slot is dedicated for 4 GB only. Apart from that, you get to see that it has got a very good memory speed, or the rated memory speed we can say, which is offering you nothing else but a memory speed of about 133 megahertz, 1333 megahertz. मतलब 1300 megahertz is really a good variant out here, we can say. Overall, if you talk about this variant, then this has got a good speed out here, has got a good variations. But if you talk about the RAM type, what kind of RAM type does it use? It uses DDR3 RAM type. Yes, it is using DDR3 RAM type out here. Along with that, you get to see that DDR3 RAM type is offering you a great specification with 1333 megahertz 4 GB install size. Now, when we talk about this install size, we can talk about the maximum support size also, because it has got two slots. So one slot is empty, definitely that is empty. One has been reserved for 4 GB. So the another expandable store out here. So it offers you expandable stores out here, or we can say the dedicated slots out there, which can be seen in this variant. It offers you a maximum support size of 16 GB. Yes, 16 GB is the maximum support size offered out here in this variant. Along with that, it offers you a same technology only, that is DDR3 RAM type along with 1333 megahertz. If these kind of specifications are met, then the RAM is perfectly matched out here. Now let us talk about this variant hard drive also, because not only RAM but hard drive storage also plays an important role. Now when we talk about hard drive, what kind of hard drive it uses, SSD or HDD? It uses HDD type out there. Now talking about this HDD type, what does the spindle speed offers out? What is the RAM storage out there? What is the capacity of the store? It offers you 500 GB capacity of HDD type hard drive store. If you have HDD type, then you definitely owe for a spindle speed. And when we talk about the spindle speed, it is nothing else but the rate per out the monitor you get to see, that is the rotation per minute. You get to see the output in that is very well out there. It offers you 7200 RPM out there. 7200 RPM is really a good versions out there. As well as when you talk about this variant, we get to see that the capacity offered out here is 500 GB, which is the capacity of HDD out there. So that is definitely an amazing version out there. Along with that, you get to see that this variant is offering you a great specification, great range of outcome. Everything is great, but does it work well with the environmental factors also is an important question out there now. Does it work well with the environmental factors? Yes, it works good with environmental factors, like every gadget has to pass on the harsh conditions to work well. Every gadget works in the harsh conditions like the humid, temperature, shock tolerance, heat tolerance, these kind of conditions are there. So HP has designed its gadget so that it gives optimization to the functionality, or the optimized functional gadgets we can say. They produces these kind of gadgets. Now talking about these results, we can see they provide you 10 to 90% of the best conditioning output. What is this 10 to 90% conditioning output? It means while working, it might provide up to 60 or 70% good output, whereas non-working provides out on up to 90% good output. Like if you are continuously working, then it might affect that. But yeah, definitely it offers you a great environmental conditional factors which helps you to know about the gadget functionality. These are the functionalities offered out. What about the drive stores out there? Because every gadget plays an important role while the drive and display everything. Talking about this, let us talk about the display out there, because display is an important part. The first thing we look out in every gadget, apart from the design, is the display, is the screen out here. So talking about the screen, then we can say it offers you LED backlight HD anti-glance display. Now, what is this kind of a display? It offers you a display that is of LED. LED display is there. But apart from that, you get to see that it is offering you LED backlight. Yes, it offers you LED backlight out here. Along with that, it offers you HD resolution. Yes, the resolution offered out here is the HD resolution. And you get to see that it offers you anti-glance addition to that. It might not offer you SVP type or side viewing type, so it might not offer you that, but it offers you HD anti-glance, that is the HD resolution with anti-glance technology out here. So overall, you can say it offers you HD backlight, HD anti-glance, LED backlight, HD glance. So this is really amazing out there. Along with that, it offers you a screen size of 35.6 centimeters. Yes, 35.6 centimeters is a good screen size, a really amazing screen size out here. When we talk about the screen size, when we talk about the screen, the main thing happens out to be nothing else but the audio and the video output. Yes, when we talk about this, then every gadget plays an important role out here. Yes, every gadget plays an important role, not just because the display is good, but the multimedia out there is good. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, we can say that this variant is offering you a good range of graphics, that is the multimedia, because it offers you ARM Radeon HD 6520G out here, which is really a good variation of the graphical part out there. Along with the integrated webcam, stereotype speakers, stereotype microphones out there. So overall, the sound quality is really good while talking or while listening to any music, multimedia out here, anything. Along with that, the graphical part is quite good. So image processing is really nice. Image processing is also good out here. So when we are talking about this image, we are talking about this functionalities, everything. Let us talk about the optical drives also, because optical drive is also an important part, because not every gadget offers you optical drive. If it is being offered, then it means that you get to have an optical drive out here. So you get to see that it offers you DVD read and write type optical drive. Yes, the optical drive is usually in DVD read and write type, and it is being offered out here. Along with that, you get to see that it might be removable type. Yes, removable type drives is like CD or DVD versions out there. Now, when you talk about the CD and DVD read and write type optical drive, it has a speed out there. Now, when you talk about the reading speed, when you talk about the reading speed in the computers or the processing out there, it is 24 into CD, or you can say for DVD it is 8 into DVD. Like, it is the rotation per minute out there. Well, the write type speed is 24 into CD and 8 into DVD out there, plus read and write type. The rewrite speed is also varying out, like there is a different speed out for each and every processing out there. Now, when we are talking about this gadget, when we talked about everything, like we talked about its processing, we have talked about its storage, we have talked about its RAM, its environmental factors, display, but as well as audio video quality. But we have not talked about the connectivities of this gadget. Now let us talk about the connectivities of this gadget. Talking about the connectivity, we can say that it offers you good connectivity with Bluetooth, broadband, or Wi-Fi out there. Along with that, the keyboard has got a touch pad out here. Now this touchpad helps you to control the voice control, gestures controls out there, as well as spill resistance out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it has got a disc label, which is for the optical drive out there. Along with that, it offers you a PAX compatibility, that is G3 compatibility out there, offering you USB 2 or 3 type reading, SD card reading, multi-card reading out there, memory card reading, audio input output jack, power jacks out there. So these can also be seen in this variant. Apart from that, some inbuilt apps by HP and Microsoft are seen, which helps you to know the pre-installed Windows or the pre-installed images and some documents out there. Now, talking about this variant, we can talk about the battery life also, because battery plays an important role in every gadget. Talking about the battery life, this variant offers you 6-cell lithium ion battery. Yes, 6-cell lithium ion battery is being offered out here. You get to see that it offers you 55 volts capacity of 6-cell lithium ion battery, as well as it offers you a run timing of 7 to 8 hours. So this is a run time offered out 7 to 8 hours out here in this variant. This is a pro book out there. So overall, this is a very amazing variant out here, must try variant for the corporate world and the small worlds out there. Let us talk about the pricing of this variant. And talking about the pricing, let us visit to this site. Talking about this site, this is nothing else but just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com is a site which offers you great range of products in your pocket friendly rates. You get to see your pocket friendly rates for your favorite gadgets out here. And now let us talk about this variant which we were discussing right now. Let us search this icon or this gadget in this search bar, which helps us to check our products or gadgets in a very limited format, you can say. Talking about this variant, talking about this version out here, we can check about this variant in this category. So this is the result for our search. You can customize your gadget. The best part about this website is that you can customize your gadgets accordingly, if it's possible by the company itself. And you get to see that it offers you small description at the top and a small description at the bottom, as well as you get to see that it is offering you a product type condition that is refurbished. So now let us talk about this refurbished condition and see what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished word itself, then it means refurbished word means creating something newly like. Yes, it means creating something newly like. And when we talk about refurbished words or refurbished gadgets, then we can say they and brand new are absolutely same like, they are similar, or we can say same alike. Because refurbished products are nothing else but brand new products which have been pre-owned ones. Yes, you get to have a pre-owned gadgets out there. You get to see that they are pre-owned gadgets. So we can say refurbished and brand new are structurally, functionally, as well as testically, they are same. Their testimonialities are same. You can say their testing parameters are same. Their structural designs are same. In fact, their internal functions are also same. You can say that. Now, when we talk about refurbished products and brand new products, why we say that refurbished products are pre-owned? Talking about the pre-ownization of refurbished products, let us see this pathway, which let us know how the gadgets are involved in the market. There is a base, mediator, and the consumer. Now, this base is nothing else in the company in the brand new products. When you have a brand new product, then the company is the base which launches that gadget into the market. Now, what happens is that company is bringing that gadget in the market and is selling off that gadget in the market so that user can buy it. Now, this marketplace becomes the mediator for the company and the users. What happens is now the company has sold off in the market and user have buy it. They have this gadget. Now the user wants to resell this gadget or is bored of that gadget and wants to sell it off or wants to sell it. So what does it happen? Then that product is refurbished. How it is refurbished? Now once the gadget is pre-owned and is being used once, it's being resold. Now it is being sold again. So it has to be brought in the market. Now it is brought up in the market where it can be resold, and once it is tested, verified, then it is resold into the market by the marketplace owners to the users, the new users out there. Now the user where the customization, or we can say customer, the brand new product ends, is the beginning of refurbished product. So we can say that the brand new or the refurbished products are correlated. Every refurbished product is once a brand new product, it can be said, because refurbished is nothing else but the extension to the brand new products. Now when we talk about the brand new products and refurbished products, there is a difference in the testing sites. Why does that differ? Because brand new products are tested before launching into the market. Yes, before launching it into the market, there are various sites which test the gadget. But for refurbished product, When it is being sold off to a marketplace, the user resells it. It is tested, verified out on that particular site, and is sold off on that particular site only, no other site where you resell them. So there is a difference in the testing sites. Now let us talk about the testing parameters also, because structurally they are actually same. So let us talk about the differences in the uh, testing parameters. Talking about the testing, then it involves the external and internal parameters. Yes, it involves the external and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, talking about the external factors, then it involves the design, buttons, battery, charging capacity, web camera, slots out there, or even the USB connectors, pen drive, SD card readers, audio input output jack, audio quality, sound quality out there. All the factors which can be seen from external parameters or the through eyes itself, which does not require any gadget or any software out there. Like we know that display can be checked out if it has any scratch or not. Design could be checked out whether it is the similar design with the same screen size, the same display out here, or same resolution or not. Even the scratches out on the designs could be checked out. The touchpad it has can be checked out. Buttons has to be checked whether they are properly intact or not, properly placed or not. Every button is functional or not. So everything could be seen. Once external parameters are crossed, it comes to the internal parameters. Now, what happens to the internal parameters? Internal parameters require specified gadgets, equipment, softwares out there. So, internal parameters are tested with them. Now, these internal parameters are nothing else but the internal components like the processing chip system, in processor type out there, RAM type, storage types out there, connectivity, every kind of a thing like graphic processor out there, every single processing which are the internal components of it, the drive rotational speed, or we can say the spindle speed, random speed out there, rated speed, everything has to be checked. Once the gadget's internal and external parameters are checked, it is classified as refurbished or certified refurbished product. What would happen if any product is damaged or it is not passing all the parameters? Then that has to be renewed. That part, that gadgets, that specified point has to be refurbished, or you can say replaced out there with original parts. Yes, it has to be replaced with the original parts out there. Now talking about this variant, now talking about what kind of gadgets are in the refurbished products, they are the pre-owned gadgets out there. So they have the same design, they have the same functionality, they have the same structurality, they have the same testings out there. There is no difference out there. They are in a great quality, good quality products out there, good service are provided by them. Still, why we do prefer refurbished products? There must be some advantages. And the advantages are in few formats, like there are few points which are important to know before buying a refurbished product. They are quite pocketable out here. Yes, refurbished products are quite pocketable. Talking about pocketable rates, then we can say that the refurbished products are nothing else but pocketable gadgets out there, because brand new products are slightly expensive, whereas refurbished products are quite pocketable, can be said as quite less expensive out here. Since there is difference in the pricing, here comes the next point, that is the savings. You can save a great savings. Yes, you can save a great saving out for your gadgets. Now, when we talk about the savings, then we can say that the products can be saved out according to the pricing, because brand new and refurbished has a variation in their price. You get to save a lot. Now, talking about the savings and everything, brand new products offers you a warranty period of 1 year. Yes, they offer 1 year warranty period. Even the exchange policies out there. So, what does refurbished offer? Usually, pre-owned gadgets does not offer you any warranty period, but if you have a condition which is refurbished, you get to see that it offers you 6 months warranty along with 7 exchange policy. Yes, 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy could be seen out in the version. So overall, you can say that this offers you a great range of productivity, even the gadgets in pocketable rates, even warranty period, exchange policy, everything could be seen out there. So let us get back to the site and check whether it offers you same things or not. We are at just@click.com. Yes, we are at just@click.com. And talking about this website, the name itself suggests just@click.com. You are just a click away from your favorite gadgets because it offers you your favorite gadgets in your pocketable rates, pocket friendly rates out here, as well as it offers you COD, which is hassle free shopping. Also, it's an online shopping site, so you get an hassle free shopping. COD is available out here. Along with that, you also get to see that this site, this version here offers you free home delivery, money back guarantee, online support system. So you get to see these kind of functionalities also. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, if you talk about this site, then this site offers you a customizability option. Customizability option is nothing else but a option which helps us to customize our product and check out whether our product can be customized either in the RAM quality or the, we can say, storage capacity, processing hours, whichever things could be customized by the company itself, so they can customize it accordingly so that it is in your favorite modified way. Talking about the shipping timing, it depending upon the customizability, the timing might vary. Whereas it usually takes 48 hours time for most parts of UAE, and Saudi it might take up to a week. So this is all about the gadget and the website. For best pricing, visit out the website for your gadgets out there. Description has the link, you can check out there, or you can type on Google just@click.com. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.